So we've got one last area to patch on the foundation. This is yet another area where yet another set of sewer lines and supply lines came through the wall, and this is no longer necessary. So we got this cleaned out. We got it blocked off on the inside of the house, and we've got some rebar up in there going up into the wall. Got it painted with bonding agent. So now we're gonna just put a form covering those two bottom holes, and I'm gonna use this high-tech device to pour the cement mix into the top hole and fill that cavity. So we'll do that next.